Bonjour, bienvenue, hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel French Ma'am. So bonjour, je m'appelle Jyoti Yadav, your French language instructor. Back to the new video. Family, which means Lou family. Lou family. So let's start with the first is daddy, which means Lou papa. Lou papa. Father, which means Lu Peak. Lu Peak. If you say my father, so you say Mo Peak. Mo Peak. So repeat after me. Daddy, which means Lu Papa. Father, which means Lu Peak. And my father, which means Mo Peak. Dekho. Move to the next. It's mummy, which means La Mo. La Mo. देखो if you could say my mummy तो you say Ma Mamo. Ma Mamo. Ma Mamo. देखो and mother which means La Meak. La Meak. And if you say my mother which means Ma Meak. Ma Meak. देखो. Move to the next. Grandfather, which means Lu Gho Peak. Lu Gho Peak. And my grandfather, which means Mo Gho Peak. Mo Gho Peak. The grandfather, which means Lu Gho Peak, and my grandfather, which means Mo Gho Peak. So father and grandfather, he is a masculine, so you use here MON, which means mo. Don't use MA. It's used for a feminine. Ma, my grandmother, my mother, to use ma. And he is a boy, so you use MON, which means mo. Okay. Next is grandmother, which means La Gho Meak. La Gho Meak. And if you could say my grandmother, which means Ma Gho Meak. Ma Gho Meak. देखो. Sister, which means La Seak. La Seak. If you could say my sister, so you say Ma Seak. Ma Seak. Sister, which means La Seak, and my sister, which means Maseak. देखो. Brother, which means Lu Feak. Lu Feak. Lu Feak. And my brother, which means Mo Feak. Mo Feak. Brother, which means Feak. Lu Feak. And my brother, which means Mo Feak. Uncle. Uncle, which means L'oncle. L'oncle. Uncle, which means L'oncle. And my uncle, which means Mon oncle. Mon oncle. देखो. Next is aunt, which means La tante. La tante. And my aunt, which means Ma tante. Ma tante. Repeat after me. La tante, which means aunt, and my aunt, which means Ma tante. देखो. Children. Children, which means les enfants. Les enfants. And my children, which means mon enfants. Mon enfants. Très bien. Family, which means la famille. La famille. And my family, ma famille. Ma famille. Family, which means La family, La famille, and my family, which means Ma famille. Parents, which means Les Pago. Les Pago. And my parent, which means Mo Pago. Mo Pago. Son, which means fish. Lu fish. Lu fish. You have a look. This spelling feels Don't say phyllis. This is not a phyllis. It's fees. If you talk about my fee, you could say mo fees. Mo fees, which means my son. Mo fees, the son, lo fees, and my son, which means mo fees. Daughter and girl, other girl, which means la fille. La fille, which means girl and daughter. And if you could say my daughter, you say ma fille. Ma fille. La fille, ma fille. Boy, which means lugaxo. Lugaxo. Lugaxo, which means boy. If you say my boy, mogaxo. Mogaxo. Niece. Niece. Niece, which means la niece. La niece. And if you say my niece, which means ma niece. Ma niece. Niece, which means la niece, and my niece, which means ma niece. Okay. Next is nephew, which means lu nuvu. Lu nuvu. And my nephew, which means mo nuvu. Mo nuvu. Nephew, which means lo nuvu, and my nephew, which means mo nuvu. Cousin, which means lu cousin. Lu cousin. And my cousin, which means mo cousin. Mo cousin. But it is used for a masculine. देखो, lu cousin, which means cousin, if it is masculine, and my cousin, which means mo cousin. And the second is cousin. La cousine. La cousine. They use for feminine. La cousine. And my cousin, which means ma cousine. Ma cousine. Granddaughter. Granddaughter, which means granddaughter, which means la petite fils. La petite fils. And my grandmother, which means my granddaughter, which means ma petite fils. Ma petite fils. Granddaughter, which means la petite fils, and my granddaughter, which means ma petite fils. देखो, grandson, the grandson, which means lu petit fils. Lu petit fils. And my grandson, mon petit fils. Mon petit fils. Lu petit fils and mon petit fils. देखो, husband, which means lu Margie. Lu Margie. My husband, which means mo Margie. Mo Margie. And what is the meaning of man? Man, which means om. Om. And my man, which means mo om. Mo om. I repeat again, husband, which means lo Margie. If I say my husband, which means mo Margie, and the man, it's om, and my man, which means mo om. Wife, which means la femme. La femme. It's wife and it's called women, both. We use la femme. La femme. If I say my wife and my women, so we use ma femme. Ma femme. Wife, which means la femme, and my wife, which means ma femme. देखो, so next is la belle-mère, which means mother-in-law. Mother-in-law, which means la belle-mère. La belle-mère. If I say my mother-in-law, which means ma belle-mère. Ma belle-mère. Mother-in-law, which means la belle-mère, and my mother-in-law, which means ma belle-mère. father-in-law, father-in-law, which means lu bu peak, lu bu peak. If I say my father-in-law, which means mo bu peak, mo bu peak. Daughter-in-law, which means la belle fille, la belle fille. If I say my daughter-in-law, which means ma belle fille, ma belle fille. Thanks for watching my this video, and if you like my this video, so please subscribe, share and comment, and press bell. Don't forget to press bell icon. And if you improve your French language, your pronunciation, so you watch my this video and my previous videos again and again. And au revoir.